So, hello everyone. Today I will be explaining you about this search analytic dashboard that is built on Tableau. So, first let me tell you about the which data source we used. After that, I will explain each part of this dashboard in detail. So, we are using an Excel file as our main data source. So, the Excel file contains all the information about the employees. It contains fields as attrition, age band, department, their education field, their job role, every information we need, and it contains around 43 fields and around 1500 rows. That is a good amount of data, and this data is already cleaned, so we can just start with building the dashboard. So coming back to dashboard, the first part is this is just basic KPI measures. Employee count is the total number of employees. Attrition rate, attrition count is how many employees have left the company. Attrition rate, active employees, and average age. So we have applied some basic filters also. We can filter them by education department and all. Moving on to next part is this pie chart. So it's the department wise attrition count. So it will tell the how many employees has left the company based on their department. So first one is this HR department, that is around 5.06%. This is the sales, and this is the R&D department. So the next thing is this bar graph. So this basically tells the age group of the employees. So it's we can see how the employees are divided based on their age, and you can see it's easy to visualize because we applied the color such that more the number of employees, the darker the shade. We can also change the size of the bin by so moving on to next is this heat map. It tells about the job satisfaction rating of the employees, and it's divided by job roles. This is important for HR team to like identify which employees are satisfied with their job and which are may facing a problems. And here you can see a total how many like ratings the employees have given. There are total 961 employees have given the rating. The next thing is this bar graph that tells about the attrition rate, attrition count based on the education field. And moving on to next is this attrition rate by gender. So it will tell about the attrition rate based divided on gender and the age group, as you can see. And we have some filters also by which we can filter it out by females or males gender also. In that scenario, this part will be useless, and other things are like, and we can also divide these filter this by department also. The all the data will be updated. And we have the education filter also. We can divide by like filter by education also. So by this dashboard we can generate various meaningful insights that can be very useful for HR team. So that's it. Thank you.